We have quite luckily been invited to a primary school. I truly never imagined I'd be piping for a bunch of Bhutanese students, let alone getting them to reel. Sort of. Bhutanese students are probably the most well-behaved students I've ever met, and their level of English is phenomenal. But it's not by chance. Turns out English is the primary language of instruction in most Bhutanese schools, which makes things a lot easier when you're explaining tartan, sporans and skindus.
And in order to do that, I need you all to stand up for me very quickly.
This was an awesome morning and a brilliant way to finish off our time in the beautiful Phobjikha Valley. Huge thank you to Bagpiping Primary School and to Drug Heritage Tours, Loretta and Namgay for putting this together. Follow for more kilted adventures and travel stories.